Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all guys are well. Today I'm going to make popcorns in different style. So you don't need to dirty your pans. So we're gonna make the popcorns in foil. So let's get started with ingredients. So you will need oil, about 3 tablespoons, and you will need dry corn. And I'm putting pink salt because I love using pink salt. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna put corns on the foil. Now I'm gonna add a bit of oil. You can add butter if you like. So now I'm gonna add a salt. Now I'm gonna mix it. Mix it well. Now I'm gonna fold foil from the sides. You have to seal it well from all 4 sides, so no steams comes out. I have already warmed the pan, so it's already a bit warm. And wait till magic happens. I'm going to just move the pan so you can see steam is already building up. There you go, magic has started to happen. Ooh. Ooh. So I'm going to leave it for about 30 seconds more. So the popcorns are ready. Now I'm going to add them in. Ooh, let's open and see. Let's cut them through. Ooh, I can see popcorns. There you go, all ready. And no need to wash the pan. And they are nice. Let's give it one try. Very tasty. I hope you like the recipe. I will see you next video. Inshallah. Take care. Allah